Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Coco Maker is probably one of the most exciting and versatile kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, allowing you to effortlessly create delicious, homemade chocolate treats right in your own kitchen. Imagine whipping up decadent chocolate bars, fun-shaped candies, or even rich chocolate fondue with just a few simple steps, all thanks to this innovative device that promises to bring the joy of chocolate making to everyone, regardless of their culinary experience. Number 5. Mini Waffle Maker, Aqua. Unlock the magic of mini waffles with this compact and lightweight maker. Its quick heat up and even heating surface deliver delicious results every time. Enjoy a no-mess experience thanks to its non-stick surface. Food releases easily, making cleanup a breeze after every use. This convenient device features a space-saving design that's easy to store. It fits perfectly into any kitchen, no matter how small. Get creative with customized waffle creations for any occasion. Its simple one-step setup and indicator light make it easy to use. Gather your family and enjoy the joy of cooking and eating together at home. It's perfect for creating fun, homemade treats for everyone. What we like. This compact maker is perfect for small kitchens and quick treats. Its non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and cleanup every time. If you're looking for a simple, space-saving way to make fun, customized waffles, especially with kids, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The machine is easy to use and clean, making the chocolate making process enjoyable. It produces smooth and delicious chocolate every time, with consistent results. The compact design fits perfectly on my countertop without taking up too much space. Number 4. ChocoMaker Milk Chocolate Fondue and Fountain Dipping Candy. Create a delightful chocolate fondue experience with ease. This rich milk chocolate is perfect for any occasion. Designed to flow beautifully in chocolate fountains. Enjoy smooth, decadent chocolate cascades for dipping. Simply microwave for quick and easy melting. No complicated steps, just pure chocolate enjoyment. Ideal for dipping fruits, pretzels, marshmallows, and more. Elevate your desserts and snacks with this delicious treat. This generous 2-pound bag ensures you have plenty for parties and gatherings. Share the chocolatey goodness with everyone. Savor the classic, creamy taste of milk chocolate. It's a crowd pleaser that everyone will love. What we like. Enjoy the ease of microwaving delicious milk chocolate for dipping. This product is ideal for creating a fun fondue experience or for use in a chocolate fountain. If you love the taste of milk chocolate and want a quick, easy way to elevate desserts or parties, this is for you. What people say. The machine is easy to use and clean. It makes delicious chocolate drinks quickly. The design is compact and looks great on the counter. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Cocomotion Hot Chocolate Maker. Enjoy perfectly frothed hot chocolate with this amazing machine. It makes up to 4 mugs at a time, perfect for sharing. Worry less with the auto-off function, providing extra safety for your peace of mind. It automatically shuts off when done. Operating it is a breeze thanks to the convenient on-off indicator light. You'll always know when it's ready to go. The specially designed mixing disc whips your hot cocoa quickly and easily. Get that perfect, frothy texture every time. And when you're finished, cleanup is just as easy. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious drink. What we like. This machine makes up to 4 mugs of perfectly frothy hot chocolate with ease. Its auto-off function adds an extra layer of safety for peace of mind. If you're a hot chocolate lover who enjoys a rich, frothy beverage and values convenience and safety, this is the ideal appliance for your home. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and clean. It makes delicious chocolate drinks in minutes. The design is compact and looks great on the counter. Number 2. GirlZone Little Choco Delights Maker Kit. Get ready for a sweet adventure with this chocolate making kit. It's perfect for kids to create yummy treats using the included chocolate maker and colorful wrappers. Keep kids engaged with this fun kit that sparks their imagination. Watch their creativity shine as they experiment and create delightful edible treats. Make any day special with this awesome gift. Let them craft and wrap their own chocolate mementos to share with friends and family. With clear instructions and durable tools, kids can easily make delicious chocolate creations again and again. It makes a fun weekend project. Long-lasting silicone tools let kids practice their chocolate skills over and over. It offers hours of tasty fun and creative exploration. What we like. This kit offers a complete hands-on experience for kids to create their own chocolate bars and treats. It comes with everything needed, including molds, sticks, and wrappers, encouraging creativity. If you're searching for an engaging, creative activity for children aged 8 and up, or a unique gift, this chocolate making set is a winner. What people say. The Coco Maker chocolate is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, allowing you to create delicious homemade chocolates with ease. Its intuitive design and simple operation make it perfect for both beginners and experienced chocolatiers. The machine heats and tempers chocolate to perfection, ensuring a smooth and professional finish every time. Number 1. WICHEMI Commercial Electric Chocolate Melter. Experience rapid and even melting with our high-efficiency chocolate melter. Crafted from food-grade aluminum, it ensures your ingredients are heated safely without burning or sticking. Our machine utilizes PTC energy-saving technology for quick and efficient melting. Enjoy delicious results with low electricity costs and advanced safety features. Achieve perfect results every time with intelligent temperature control. It maintains a constant temperature, safeguarding the quality of your melted ingredients and offering leakage and power-off protection. Using it is as simple as adding your ingredients, setting the temperature, and pressing start. The removable non-stick pot makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for both home and commercial use, it's ideal for melting chocolate, butter, cheese, and more. Elevate your desserts, beverages, and dishes in any setting. Built with rust-resistant, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant materials, it's designed for longevity and your health. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction. What we like. This commercial-grade melter ensures fast, efficient, and even melting of chocolate and other ingredients. Its intelligent temperature control guarantees perfect results without burning. If you need a reliable, safe, and versatile machine for professional use in a bakery, cafe, or for serious home chocolatiers, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and clean. It makes delicious chocolate drinks in minutes. The design is compact and looks great on the counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.